Okay, so we're just going to do a little unboxing video today. We get orders in the shop on pretty much on a weekly basis, sometimes more, sometimes less, but average at least 1 or 2 a week. And I got as far as taking the paper off this morning, and I thought, oh my God, I have to share how much fun this is with our customers, because I love when I open a box and see something like this. It's like so luscious. So luscious. So we've got these 2-hole coin beads, some really great popular colors. Some are new to us, like this one. Some we've had before and sold out of completely. And some, I'm just taking a bit of a risk on, because I don't know. You might love it, you might hate it, you might see it hanging around in 10 years, or it might be all gone tomorrow. You never know. Never know what you guys are just gonna love and flip over. So, but these are just some really cool. This one here is called Contour, that laser etched finish. It reminds me of a topo map from when I go hiking. That's a really cool one. So I ordered some other new beads. I haven't had a chance to play with these yet. These are called fixer beads, and they're rectangular in shape, or square maybe, but they have this little ridge inside, and that nestles around a cabochon, a flat bead, a Rivoli, and then you can use seed beads to connect them all together and make an easy capture. So I've got some great finishes in these fixer beads. And there's 2 versions of this. Oh, this is a silver plated, like real silver plated. This is one of the more expensive ones, and we did get a real gold plated one too. But there's 2 versions of these. See how this one, the holes are on the ends like that? Okay. And then there's another one where the holes are on the side. So these are called vertical or horizontal in reference to where the holes are. So anyway, a whole lot of fun happening there. Yeah, the 24 karat gold plated was a bit of a splurge, but I think you guys are going to absolutely love those. So we've got maybe 7, 8, 9 colors. There is a nickel plated one. That's a really great color. But we got every color that we got in both sizes. These are some restock items that, we kind of ran out of. The faceted micro spacers, 24 karat gold plated AB. Can't help but love that. We got some Delicas. So if I can't get them in a bag, sometimes I get them in a tube just to make sure we have them. That we love keeping track. There's some more fixers. And we've got some 15s, some Delicas, copper line, more Delicas. Again, some of these colors are getting harder to find. The restock at the distributor level isn't as fast as it used to be due to COVID, I suppose. Supply chains have been interrupted all over, so I'm working hard to keep everything in stock. And if I can get it one way or another, I will. And I might have to pay a little more for it pre-tubed, but you do not. So I'm going to make that perfectly clear. Oh, Delicas. Yeah, we just can't keep the orange Delicas in stock, I wonder why that is. Oh, Delicas. Shirley fixers. Delicas. Fixers. Oh, there's some more micro spacers. Yeah. And that's a pretty color. Oh, I just love this color. We had this color. This is a new color for us. It's not new to the market, but new to us. We had it in a 15. Why I didn't have it in 8 and 11, I couldn't say it. But I went ahead and ordered them just because they're lovely, like a buttercream Delicas. Angelicos. And here's some Ginkgos that were on back order, I think. It's a Jet AB Petite. It's not a matte though. Yeah, Jet Full AB Petite. So these come to us in 100-gram bags, so we divide that into 10 little bags, so you don't have to pay a fortune for one big one. And we're good to go. That's it. We have more stuff. No, that's not it. I mean, let's see. What else we got? I'm going to set the phone down. Open this bag. Now we're going to dump it out. We were low on some of the 4mm check pearls. These are just a beautiful, affordable staple for all kinds of jewelry making. Some nice holiday and football themed colors that we were out of. I tried to get an opaque orange, they did not have it. Some restock, but restock is fun. Lots of good colors. This bright red, this bright opaque red, 8mm fire polish is just fun. And some more pearls. And, oh, this is some KO thread. If you've not used the KO thread before, it's a Japanese beading thread. And it is soft and supple. And yeah, you try holding the phone with one hand and opening boxes with the other. But it's got a beautiful tactile feel to it. This is a dark brown. It's one of the most common colors that we go through a lot of. So I'm always ordering these in boxes of 12, and we sell a lot of this on in our Etsy store too, because we have a really good price on this. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today's unboxing. I think it'll be fun to do some more of these. So I hope you can join me soon. Thanks.